Welcome to Singing with Ron. So, another really interesting idea when it comes to breath and singing is the idea that when we yell naturally, if there's like somebody is about to get hit by a car over there, I don't take a breath and go, "Stop!" It's be too late. But if I see it and I go, "Stop!" I do it instantly without inhaling any air. And so this is a really key concept with belting is that you don't need to take in a huge amount of air. You just need to kind of stop, drop, and hey, stop! Oh! Right? So if I took a big breath, oh! Not so nice feeling. But if I go, oh! And just take that little bit of air, it's so much more effortless to sing. So it's a little counterintuitive, but give it a shot. Try it. Try not to take a breath and shout a few times. Stop! Stop! Hey! 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 And then continue that sound and see how it feels. And then try it with a lot of air again, just so that you get the feeling of what it feels like to sing with a whole bunch of air or too much air in your system, and then not inhaling and just making a sound. Good.